Hello, I am Magda from Portuguese with Magda. Welcome! In this video, I am going to teach how to answer the most common question. Where are you from? And we will study the preposition from and its variations. It is very simple to answer this question. You can answer using the name of the country or city. So if someone asks me where I am from, I can answer Brazil or São Paulo. But for a complete answer, you need to know how to conjugate the verb ser and how to use the correct preposition. For example, I am from São Paulo. Eu sou de São Paulo. I am from Brazil. Eu sou do Brasil. Why from São Paulo or from Brazil? Because in Portuguese the country has gender male and female, but the city has a gender neutral. Let's talk about the preposition from. It is a gender neutral preposition. It has no gender. But when we talk about female or male nouns, we merge the preposition de with the article a or o, and then we create da or do. Before countries, we use da or do according to the gender of the country. And before cities, we always use the preposition de, da, since cities are usually gender neutral. We have some exceptions, and we will talk about this later. How do you know if a country is feminine or masculine? Countries that end with the letter A are feminine, and the countries that end with other letters are usually masculine. For example, Argentina is a feminine country because ends with the letter A. The correct preposition for it is da. I am from Argentina. Eu sou da Argentina. Eu sou da Argentina. Eu sou da Argentina. Brazil is a masculine country that ends with L. The correct preposition for it is do. I am from Brazil. Eu sou do Brasil. Eu sou do Brasil. Eu sou do Brasil. The USA is masculine and plural country because its states is in plural and masculine, so we use the preposition dos. I am from the USA. Eu sou dos Estados Unidos. Eu sou dos Estados Unidos. Eu sou dos Estados Unidos. Let's see some exceptions. Rio de Janeiro. It's the city, but it's masculine gender. O Rio de Janeiro. Do Rio de Janeiro. I am from Rio de Janeiro. Eu sou do Rio de Janeiro. Mexico City. It's the city, but it has feminine gender. A cidade do México. I am from Mexico City. Eu sou da cidade do México. Portugal, it's a country and it has neutral gender. The preposition for Portugal is de. Eu sou de Portugal. I am from Portugal. Israel, like Portugal, it has a neutral gender. Eu sou de Israel. I am from Israel. Canada, it's a fun exception because it ends with a, but it's a masculine noun. The preposition for it is do. I am from Canada. Eu sou do Canadá. But if you don't know the gender of the country, don't worry about it. Just use the preposition de, which is neutral, and everyone will understand you. Let's practice the verb ser and the preposition from and its variation.